My name is Amani and I love tongue twisters. But some of these twisters can be challenging, and that's why I want to help you practice so we can get better at saying them together. Here's how this tongue twister challenge works. First, you'll hear me say a tongue twister really slowly. Then, you'll hear a sound like this. That's the signal for you to repeat the tongue twister with me. At each sound, my voice will get softer and the speed will become faster. But we'll practice together until we both get better. Today's ToffeeTV tongue twister challenge is... Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. Ready? Let's go! Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. 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 Let's try it again, a little faster. Ready? Let's go! Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. 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 That's pretty good. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Here we go. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. 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 You're doing so well. Ready? Get set. Go! Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. 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 Excellent! Share this video with a friend and challenge them to this tongue twister challenge. Thanks for playing the ToffeeTV tongue twister challenge. Come back soon.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com